This is a Dell laptop.
It's a
Dell
piece of crap.
sucks. The POS.
The POS.
P
It's a POS.
of shit. See? I didn't say a bad word technically. Haha. What is this? Sims? Oh my god. The Stone family. I think I knew that. Ooh, look.
Well,
Pretty.
this is a video of Mel, Wyatt, and two of the kids. You can see one of them right now.
Well, look. That's me. And there's my little kid. See?
That one's name is Wyatt Jr. That right there is
No, I
Wyatt
didn't name
Jr.
them. I didn't name them. She named them.
Yeah,
She named all of them.
that's Wyatt Jr. That's Mel.
Where's your other little girl?
That is your husband Wyatt.
There's Wyatt.
This is the nursery. This is the nursery.
This is the nursery. Where's Angel Kit? Where's Angel Kit?
She's in her room sleeping.
that one, didn't you?
Show me a picture of Angel Kit.
Right here.
See, this is Angel Kit right here.
And this is Wyatt Jr.
Mel, and this is Wyatt. This is Wyatt Jr.
The one we're praying on right now.
Me.
We are downstairs though. This is we're gonna play for a little bit now.
Okay. See ya. I'm gonna go make more videos.
Alright, works for me.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Ooh. You're a pro. This is my mom's truck. See? That's all I could show you. It's a Chevy, though. Oh, whoops.